everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to check in on my year-long project pan. I have if you've been following me, you know I have a palette, a bronzer, an eyeliner, foundation, and a body cream. So let's start with, I used this all up. I introduced it last month and it's gone. It's all empty. So bye-bye Oscar de la Renta. Hello Peach and Honey Almond Triple Moisture Body Cream from Bath & Body Works. And I am holding it up to my ring light, trying to see. I can't see through that. Let's go over here to this light bulb. Okay. It's about, open it up. It's about there. Hopefully I can use that up. I've been doing a pretty good job using those lotions. So hopefully I can get that one used up in this month. They're going down. I'm using them up. I have a couple more, I think. So yeah, I like that. Next, let's go with my little Sephora eyeliner. It is teeny tiny. It's getting hard to sharpen. This is my nasty, dirty pad. Here, let me make a mark where we're at. Ugh. Okay. That bottom line. So that's where we started. And that bottom line there. There we go. So I think I can use this up. It'll be the first pencil I've ever used up in my entire life. But I think it'll be used. It may last maybe another month or two. It's going to get to where I can't sharpen it, and then we'll say bye. Next, I'm still using this foundation. Now, it's my own fault. I haven't worn makeup this week. So it sounds about empty. I'm going to challenge myself to wear makeup every day, and I think I will be done with this. Ooh, I'm shaking you. I think I'll be done with this by next check-in. I'm pretty sure, and then I can roll in another. It doesn't sound like there's a whole lot left in there. Really doesn't. It's so liquidy though, and the coverage is so good. This is a really good foundation. It's great summertime foundation. Really is. I just needed to use it up because I've had it a while. I don't know, I might repurchase that, like if I'm going to theme parks or something. Might do it. Next, okay, the big things. I'm going to show you my bronzing powder. I did not take photos last time. I will try to get some screen grabs and show you where we're at. But here is the bronzer. And it would be even bigger if I had been putting makeup on. But this is one I am not going to repress to use up. When I think I'm done, I'm just going to be done. So I will use it one more month, and then I may just toss this. It no longer smells. It still performs great. It used to smell like coconut. It doesn't have a scent at all anymore. So I think this one is about to fly the coop. I think I'm about to be done with it, and just definitely $4, I think. Got my money's worth out of that. And then last is my Tartelette in Bloom palette. I hit pan. What was I working on? This one. I did it. I hit pan. So I've got pan here and pan there. I'm working on that one. If I can hit pan by next month, I'm going to switch out palettes. Because this is June and I wanted to hit pan by July. And if I do that, I will be happy. I will be just like overjoyed. And I will have felt like I've really got my money's worth out of this palette. But to be honest, I am so tired of using this palette. So I have got to really work on that one shade, and when I hit pan, then I am going to pick another palette to pan, because yeah, it gets boring using the same thing. It's good to have project pans to use up items, but I get tired of using the same items. That's why I'm kind of ready to let this go, especially because I can tell the quality is not as good as it was. So yeah, so that's it. That's my update. If you guys are panning anything, you know, let me know how you guys are doing. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Yeah, and if you're new, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.